Welcome to DIY Saturday. Today, I'm going to show you how to make this cute birth announcement. To make your own, you need a wooden plaque, your cutting machine, cutting tools, transfer tape, and vinyl adhesive in your favorite color. I created my final design in Photoshop and used Cricut Design Space to cut it out. Once you have your design ready, you can load it into Design Space and cut it out on your chosen material. Now, remove the excess material. Use your transfer tape to lay down each portion. I found that the easiest way was to separate the design because several of the parts had small fonts. This birth announcement will make a wonderful gift once the new bundle of joy has arrived. Thanks for watching and make sure to like and subscribe.